Monday, and for today's meal, we're gonna have milanesa. So you need chicken breast fillet. You can fillet them yourself. I'm lazy. I don't like to touch raw meat too much. You're gonna need, for your milanesa, before I get ahead of myself, you're gonna need some oil and breadcrumbs and eggs. I just forgot to take out the eggs. And you can season your meats however you want, because I will. And then for sides, Madison wants broccoli florets, and Mr. Rob wants cream spinach, and then all the kids can pick from that because I'm not doing any more. And then we're gonna do mashed potato. His mom brought me this bag of mashed potato, so I don't know, I've never tried it. So I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna make a brown gravy mix to go over that. And that's Monday's dinner.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, oh, why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building and nesting your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So don't, please don't let them get in your head, in your head. Fight another day, I know it's worth it. We're gold inside the rust, oh, I know you feel it. Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building and nesting your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So don't, please don't let them get in your head, in your head.
This is Daddy Rob's plate, and he's getting ready to have some leftover rice and peas. Ugh. Say bye, guys. That's Monday's meal.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, it's Tuesday. I don't know what this craziness is. The kids got free lunches, and they gave them a bunch of extra stuff, including Doritos. So it's taco night. I have a little bit of cheese. I don't know if it's enough. I'm gonna do vegetarian baked beans and put that aside to go in their little taco dish situation. We have sour cream. I was gonna do some coleslaw, depending on what these people say they want. And this is why you guys are here. I'm doing the fish in here, and it smells so amazing in this kitchen. That's Tuesday's dinner. So easy. Okay, so I did 2 each, and then I'm gonna put the baked beans in here, cheese, and this sauce right here. And then I'm gonna put the fish on top, and then they can grab a bag of those and crumble it on top. And then I have the coleslaw over there that they can eat raw. It doesn't have to be cooked, and you don't have to put dressing on it. You can just sprinkle that on top instead of lettuce, because I don't, for real, I don't have any lettuce, and I wasn't gonna stop just to get lettuce today. So this is so quick and easy. I'm gonna have the kids put what they want on here, because I have a few picky eaters, especially the adult child. She's a picky eater. She's 18, by the way. picky eater. So I'm gonna let them put what they want on their stuff. That way, there's no problems. So I got my beans over here heating up, and I don't want it too hot. It just warmed up, and then I'm gonna put it on the taco. This is so good though, by the way. You should try it. Okay, so the first batch is done. Now I'm gonna put this one in, and it's just really simple. Just gonna warm it up. I'm gonna try to cook all of these because it's getting late. It's 5:26, and I try to get dinner done by at least 6 o'clock. So let's see if I can stack this one here. And I wash my hands. And I'm gonna put some little oil on it. And then put it in on fish. Start. It's that simple. So this is what it looks like. Shit, when I cook, it's always a hot mess. I can't cook nicely. I can't be a nice little cook, but more random. All right, go over there. All right, so they're nice and crispy, which is what you want for like fish taco. You don't want soggy fish for fish taco, so that looks good. Oh, got their fish portion. This is Nelly, Maddie, because I'm pretty sure she's not gonna eat that. Y'all can grab the sour cream, there's cheese, there's taco sauce, there's the bean on the thing. So, oh, you want sauce?
Yes.
All right. How much? A little bit?
Just a little bit.
A little bit? On both?
Yeah, that's good.
You want sauce?
Oh, yeah, a little.
You want coleslaw on it too?
Yeah.
Everybody wants sauce, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no. Actually, yeah.
Get the coleslaw back there. You guys want baked beans?
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Actually, I don't want coleslaw. Just give
You don't want coleslaw?
No.
All right. Who wants cheese?
me.
All right. Come grab your own cheese. Get your own cheese. So Madison got her beans on the side. He got his beans on top with them. You want sour cream? No? She didn't get coleslaw because she didn't want it. He got coleslaw, no beans. Did you want beans? He got his beans on the side. She didn't want beans. So, yeah, that's how Tuesday's dinner is going. Yes. Huh? You want cheese? This one? This one? Which? Okay, all right. Enjoy. Okay, this is Daddy Rob's. You want sauce? You want taco sauce? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see if I can do this without being messy. Yes, baby. You want what? Okay, I'll give you sour cream. Looks so good. I made a salad because I didn't want the bowl, and we have 3 extra bowls left over. Messy cook. Ew. So, yeah, that's my meal. Okay, guys, so today is Wednesday. We're doing, well, Rob is doing curry chicken because I'm sick, and I signed off because I have a mask on, and I don't want my, so I sound a little weird. But it's not weird. I just don't want you guys.
We're doing this because of President Biden.
No, whatever.
No,
so we're doing curry
Trump.
chicken. This is the curry powder that I use.
Mr.
So
Biden
he's gonna
Trump.
put that in there, and then I'm gonna show you the
That's
rest
his
of the
name, Biden
season that I'm
Trump.
put. So right now he's burning the curry. If you're gonna cook the curry really fast, it's important to burn the curry. That way you ensure that you cook it properly. If you don't cook curry properly, you will get sick.
I think that's a myth.
No, it's true. Curry has to be cooked properly. Well, some curry. There's certain curry that you can't just throw it on your food. And so I'm gonna go season this, and then we're having this with rice, and that's just Wednesday's dinner, plain and simple. Go ahead. So I seasoned the meat with this all-purpose onion powder, garlic powder, and some seasonal. We put Scotch bonnet pepper in the oil to season the oil. And he's gonna take over from here, and I'm gonna put on the rice. Over here we have Mr. Jason cutting up some, these are peppers that we had in the refrigerator. You don't have to put that in there. This is not necessary at all. He's cutting up an onion to go in there afterwards. And then we're gonna have him peel a potato. I think 3 potatoes to kind of like thicken up the gravy once we start cooking stuff down. Okay, today is Wednesday. Guys, I promised by the end of the week, that week I was so sick and just out of it. So I was showing you guys the oxtail that we were going to have for dinner Thursday, not Wednesday. And I apologize for the video being the way that it is. I hope you guys enjoy. And I'm really, really sorry. Dinner that night was burnt and I just was over it. I hope you guys are enjoying these, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.